Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to handle fixes in our Cypress. See, in my previous video we saw about the hooks and all. Okay, after that you can come to here, you can able to understand this fixes. Fixes is nothing but a data driven testing framework and we can able to say parameterizations also. See, basically why we are calling like that means we are going to use for some external file and we are going to read data and we are going to use it. Okay. Whenever we say the external file, that is called as a JSON file, or we can able to say YAML file or Excel file, any kind of file we can able to use it. Okay. And where we need to use it means we can able to have one folder called fixes here, and in this place if you expand we have already JSON file. Okay, in this JSON file we can able to reutilize, we can able to create the format of JSON format, and we can able to provide like this. There's a field and field value like that, we need to pass it here and we can able to read this values into our test cases place. Okay, this is the main concept for us. How we can able to achieve by using this means we can able to discuss. First we can create our suite first, data driven, and I'm going to create for my function, and I'm going to create for my test case verify data. Okay, and again I'm going to create my function. Now I'm going to take for hard coding my values, then later then we are going to take for uh, external file. Okay, first cv.visit, and inside I'm going to use it for my URL, this make tools. Okay, then after that we can able to click it. For this we can able to use it for get, and we need to specify our attribute. What attribute we need to take? This is our attribute location, and we can able to say name is attribute, and we can take the username as an attribute value. Okay, then we can able to say here name equal to username, and we can able to close that, and we can able to use it type keyword. The type keyword we can able to pass for our value, and in the another language like Java or Python we can able to say send keys, right? The similar format, type is the value to type a value for in a text place. Okay, which is the value it will accept for edit, those places we can able to. Okay, cy.get again, and I'm going to take for another attribute for this particular password. Password also same. Password and name is the attribute. Again, we can able to close it name and value, close the function. You can say this is my, again one more type, and then we can able to use it get value and this submit button. Right click that particular button and we can able to say name is submit. Okay, and again I'm going to take for name equal to submit, close, dot click. Okay, this is my login cases, and for this npx cypress open. Now we can say end to end, then chrome I'm going to choose it. Now we need to choose our my fixtures. Okay, once we run we can able to see our hard coded values, we able to do it. Now it is provided username password and it went for login successful, right? Now how to do it for fixes creation. Fixes creation and different ways we can able to create. First I'm going to creating a constant variable first. Okay, and outside of that our suit I'm going to create a variable constant data type and variable value is data. Then I'm going to use for require. Okay, require is a function. In that function we need to declare our uh, information where we need to find it. Dot indicates for current project directory location where it is stored there that place. And again and slash, it will indicate that our current project folders, what all the things are presented. It will gives you, and fixes is our project file, and example is our file, right? Now after that we can able to take for data and go to remove this one, data dot name, the same thing down also, data dot password. Okay, now save. Again see here we can able to log in. See, now we are able to log in. Okay, this is one kind of verification. Then another way how we can able to do it, man, we can able to first comment this section. Okay, then come to here inside int block, inside it block. Okay, inside it block cy dot of fixes. Okay, in that fixes it will accept for file name and arguments. Even you can able to check our documentation and it is present like that only. See here what are the things we can able to provide a file, and we can able to file and encoding and file options, file encoding options, like this many ways we can able to take it and do that. Okay, then again I'm going to do it here. We can able to say mine is example.json. Why directly I'm providing here example.json means it will directly go to the project, go to inside the fixes, inside the fix which is the file name we are providing, that name it will checks. Okay, this is a one kind of fast resolution. And then okay, in then you can able to see here method also. Okay, then I'm going to make it for data, 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 and you can able to use it our function creation type, and you can come down and copy paste this 4 lines into a up location. Okay, now if I run this one, still we can do it. Okay, comma is there, sorry, should be a dot. Now we can see, so page is loaded. Now we're trying to log in. Yes, we can able to log in. These are ways we can able to, even you can try for import and some different options, and then you can able to understand what kind of fixes this one, or how many ways we can able to achieve those things. You can able to understand more. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.